Hi guys. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing, but I don't know which brand sent me this. I don't know, I really don't know, but it says my name, so it's mine obviously. So let's see who sent me this. Okay. Ta-da. What? Oh, I think these are hair extensions, so let's see. Oh yeah, this is a paid collab, but I thought it was gonna be bigger. They look very small. I hope it's the right size. I don't know. What the heck? Well, okay, I think, let me try and do them today. Let me open it. Okay. Okay, so it comes out in a bag. Okay, oh, I love the heart. So cute, I can't. So I think the color that I got was brunette, so let's see. Ooh, okay, it does match my hair. Good, because I was scared. Oh, it kind of looks a little darker than my actual hair, but yeah, it's a little darker. But my hair is kind of oily, it's getting dirty, but here it's clean. Okay, so yeah, let me try and do this first. Okay, where were we? It took a long time anyway. So I unboxed the hair extension one by one, and there's different types, so sizes, I mean, well, yeah. And they came out to be straight, so I was gonna straighten my hair right now to put them on and do like a try on, but I can't because I have a mini USB port chargeable strainer. Is not like the traditional strainers that you just plug in the plug, you know. So I don't have it charged, so I have to wait like a day or two for it to be fully charged for me to be able to straighten my hair and then be able to test these out. So oops, sorry. So I'm gonna just show you how it looks. First of all, first impressions, they look very real. They look very like, wow. It has what is it called, these two clips here. They look nice. Okay, so you just pop them up like traditional clip-in hair extensions, but the hair though, it looks very, very nice. It's very soft, very shiny. It look very shiny, very soft. This is the softest and realest hair extensions I've ever tried before. They don't feel fake, and I don't know if it's real hair or synthetic, but it feels real. It feels, look, it looks even more healthy than my actual hair. Look, this looks fake and this looks real. This looks like somebody actually straightened it and did like a keratin treatment. Or this hair looks very healthy. Like, this person never had damaged hair and they're like this. I wish my actual hair was like this and not damaged, and I haven't done straighten my hair for years for the same reason, because I want to have my hair curly again, but it's impossible. It's just wavy now. My original hair was very curly and more thick, but oh well. I got older, my hair falls out, you know. I guess I don't take care of it as much, even though I just use shampoo and conditioner. I don't do treatments, I don't cut my hair daily. Like, it's been years since I've cut my hair, so I don't have a hair routine. But it is getting healthier though with the Babe original shampoo. I don't get as oily, and my hair does look a little bit more thicker here. It looks more healthy, and I haven't washed my hair in a few days, and it's dirty, it's oily, but it doesn't look super oily. Like, I can still go out and it looks kind of healthy, like clean, as compared as before. So yeah, Anyways, I just wanted to show y'all the freaking extensions today. Overall, first impressions, I rate them 5 out of 5 stars. I haven't even tried them yet. That's how great of a quality these are. So there's like 2 of the 2 clips, 3 of the 3 clips, you know, and then these 2 are like very tiny. They're like 2 clips too, but they're close together, like not the other ones. So I'm guessing these you put more closer in. So I've never seen these extensions. Like, this is gonna be my second time I've ever tried hair extensions. The first ones, they were wavy and I used it on my natural hair. I didn't add heat to it because it blended nicely, but this, I'm gonna actually have to add heat to it. Well, not these. They look pretty straight already, but maybe it has like a little wave at the end. Not really, but they're straight, so I don't need to straighten them. Thank God. So what I was saying is that you see these have 2 clips but they're tiny, and these have 2 clips but they're separated. I haven't seen these type of hair extensions before, so I don't know how or where to place them, but I'll figure it out. I'm gonna try and find videos, or I'm just gonna do what I think is right, because that's what I normally do, to be honest. So you see, yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, because the other hair extensions, they didn't have these type of extensions, like 2 here separated and then 2 here close. You get what I mean? I don't know. The other ones were very nice, don't get me wrong, they look very great, but let's see how these look. These feel a little bit nicer though. Wow. Okay, so I got the longest pair. I think this is 24 inches or 26 inches, the longest they had, because girl, I have really long hair and I can't. Okay, so like looking at, wow, my hair is even longer than the hair extensions. My hair is probably like 28 to 30 inches. Yeah. I need to trim my hair. I need to cut my hair like all the way up to here and start fresh. Or, okay, maybe not that short, like maybe here. But I just haven't been able to cut it, or I don't know. I'm gonna miss my hair. It's so long. I'm used to it. Anyway, so I'm gonna try and do it. Probably not tomorrow. Probably like few days after. I don't know. I'm gonna try and hurry the freak up. Straighten the strainer, because the strainer turns off really quick and the battery doesn't last as quick. So so yeah, that was the mini intro for today. So yeah, bye. Thanks for watching.